Now discuss 2 marks question. First question is define trace of matrix and find the trace of 1 3 minus 5 2 minus 1 5 2 0 1. Definition is trace of matrix. The sum of elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix is called trace of matrix. The given matrix is 1 3 minus 5 2 minus 1 5 2 0 1. The diagonal elements, this one is diagonal elements 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1. The sum minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled equal to 1. The first question answer is 1. Now second question, if x minus 3 2 y minus 8 z plus 2 6 is equal to 5 2 minus 2 a minus 4, then find the value of x y z and a. Comparing to a matrix, first element equal to first one. X minus 3 is equal to 5. Minus 3 go to outside, 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. X value is 8. Now second element 2y minus 8 equal to 2. Minus 8 go to outside, 8 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 10. 2 go to outside division. 2 5s are 2 1s are. Now y value is 5. Next comparing third, z plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Plus 2 go to outside, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Z value is minus 4. Last one, a minus 4 is equal to 6. Minus 4 go to outside, plus 4. A is equal to 10. Now second question answer is x equal to 8, y is equal to 5, z is equal to minus 4, a is equal to minus 10. Next, third question. Third question, if a is equal to 1 2 3 3 to 1, b is equal to 3 to 1 1 to 3, find 3b minus 2a. 3b minus 2a is equal to 3b, b mean b matrices, 2a, a mean a matrices. Multiplication with b matrix with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now subtract. First element 9 minus 2 equal to 7. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now third question answer is 7 2 minus 3 minus 3 to 7. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is, if a is equal to 2i plus 5j plus k, b is equal to 4i plus mj plus nk are collinear vectors, then find the value of m and n. The formula, two vectors are collinear, the ratios ij k are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. It is the formula. I coefficients 2 and 4, 2 by 4. J coefficient 5 and M, 5 by M. Next, K coefficient 1 and N. Right. First take in first two ratios. First take in this one. 2 by 4 is equal to 5 by M. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by M. Cross multiplication M into 1 equal to M, 2 into 5 equal to 10. Next, first and last take in. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by N. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now cross multiplication N into 1 is equal to N, 2 into 1 equal to 2. M value 10 and N value 2. Next question, A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, B is equal to 3i plus j. Find the unit vector in the direction of A plus B. First find A plus B, two vectors addition. 1i plus 3i is equal to 4i. 2j plus j, 3j, 3k equal to 3k. Now A plus B is equal to 4i plus 3j plus 3k. Its magnitude, I coefficient 4, 4 square, j coefficient 3, 3 square, k coefficient 3, 3 square. Now 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9, 3 square means 9. So 16 plus 9 equal to 34. Now required vector formula, A plus B by magnitude of A plus B. A plus B value is 4i plus 3j plus 3k, and this magnitude is root 34. So answer is 4i plus 3j plus 3k division root 34. Next question, find the vector equation passing through the I minus 2j plus 5k. First vector, second vector minus 5j minus 5k. Third vector minus 3i and minus 3i plus 5k. Three vectors is given. Its formula, three vectors vector equation formula r is equal to 1 minus s minus t into a plus s b plus tc. Just substitute first vector this plus, second vector this plus, last vector this plus. 1 minus s minus t into first vector I minus 2j plus 5k plus s of second vector minus 5j minus k plus t of last vector minus 3i plus 5k. That's all answer. Next, seventh question is, find the angle between two vectors. A vector and B vector is given. Now formula, cos theta is equal to A dot B by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. A dot B, A vector is given I plus 2j plus 3k and B 3i minus j plus 2k. It's a dot product. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 2, 6. Now 3 plus 6, 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. Its magnitude 1, I coefficient is 1, 1 square, j coefficient 2, 2 square, k coefficient 3, 3 square. Magnitude first vector and second vector also. 1 square mean 1, 2 square mean 4, 3 square mean 9. The sum is 14. It is also 14. Root 14 into root 14 equal to root is cancelled. Now 14. 7 by 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are అంటే 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 వాల్యూ 60 degrees వద్ద కలిగి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 1 by 2 ఈక్వల్ టు cos 60 రాసుకోవచ్చు. Now theta value is 60 degrees. Given two vectors, angle is 60 degrees. That is the answer. Next question, cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal to cot 36 degrees. It is show that or prove that. Cot 36 degrees, I will take right hand side. Formula using cot A minus B is equal to cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. A value is 45, B value is 9. Cot B cot 9 degrees, cot A cot 45 plus 1. Division cot 9 minus cot 45. You know cot 45 value is 1. Cot 9 degrees equal to cos 9 degrees by sin 9 degrees. Cot 45 value 1 plus 1. Cot 9 degrees value is cos 9 by sin 9 minus 1. It is the minus 1. Now LCM sin 9 degrees, cos 9 plus sin 9 by sin 9, cos 9 minus sin 9 by sin 9. Sin 9 get cancelled. Now answer is cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9. LHS equal to RHS. That's all answer. Next question. Find the maximum and minimum value of f of x equal to 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Is comparing a cos x plus b sin x plus c. You know a value is 7, b value is minus 24, c value is plus 5. First find under root of a square plus b square. A meaning 7 square, b meaning 24 square. 49 plus 5, 76 equal to 625. 625 value is root over 25. Now maximum value formula c plus under root of a square plus b square. C value is 5. Under root of a square plus b square value 25. 5 plus 25 equal to 30. Same minimum value. C minus under root of a square plus b square. 5 minus 25 equal to minus 20. The maximum value is 30 and minimum value is minus 20. Now last and final question today. Show that tan h inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 log e to the basic 3. Now formula using tan h inverse x equal to 1 by 2 log e to the basic 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now substitute the value of x equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log e to the basic 1 plus x value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, division 1 minus 1 by 2. Now 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Now 3 by 1, that's mean the 1 by 2 log e to the basic 3. LHS equal to RHS. Today 10 questions completed. Okay. Now